high and smash that like button. Of course subscribe as well, because this video will be about this Yamaha MT 2017 ABS model. It's a pretty boring video, but the video will be about how to replace the brake pads. Check it out. Alright then, so I got this bike for actually the big price. They're not too bad, but about the bike I will explain the next video, so there will be a review as well about this bike. It's good. Something is bad in here, but something is very good in here as well. But let's move to the brake pad parts. We're gonna replace the rear one. I suspect they are fucked completely, and we're going to replace it. Replace it with, I got these like disc brake pads, ceramic carbon. They say high quality. I don't know about that. As soon as they cost you not too much money, I think it was like 15-20 quid or something like that. So sintered metal. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna replace these with the old ones. You're gonna see old ones, because I see the disc in here, the brake disc is already in a bad condition, and I know of course why, because the brake pads are fucked in this cylinder on the rear, and we're gonna replace with the new ones. And I think it will make big difference in here. Alright, let's crack on. So in here, I mean, that's probably the easiest job ever. So what you do, I did remove already. You remove this screw from here, Allen key, use Allen key for that. So basically it came out just like that. Place that one. Already you can lift it up. So what you do, take the minus screwdriver or negative or whatever you call, get these two little, I would say, protectors off, because that probably protects the screw inside from the vibration, and unscrew it or something like that. Anyway, so also you got two boys under, Allen key as well, same what we was using in here, and we're gonna undo them. And you see my video, of course, the previous video, I nearly actually killed this bike. I was worried. I nearly pissed myself. I would say shit myself. But all been sorted out as usual. Sometimes you get nervous as well. Not easy jobs just like this in here. Get these two boys off. Takes ages. I think these two boys in here, they hold your brake pads. As soon as you're going to lift them up, probably brake pads will come out, and we will be able to remove the cylinder, the brake cylinder. That seems like that is out. Alright then, so we got this boy out as well. As you get the noise, something dropped already, so we lift it up just like that, and we got one pad in here. Wow, such a good condition. Let's try to get this boy off as well. Okay, so push it in as much as you can, and yes, it should come out. Lift it up. Oh, okay. Okay. Finally. So let's have a look on a difference. See them? I never see them before. Well, I see them before, but not like that condition. Condition is just fucking awful. And already you see the difference. So that's the proper driver, and that's the fucking idiot. Really, really stupid person who drove with this bike before. That's bad, and that's fucking good. Right, let's replace them and make bike do their job again. Because I mean, come on, you can see what kind of person was riding with this bike, and you're gonna see this bike after me. Also, the video will come up about this bike. When I bought it, I paid a lot of money for it. When I bought this bike, it was all dirty and terrible. It was actually terrible. I tell you one thing, it was terrible. But after me, you're gonna see this bike on the photos and the videos and what I did with this bike and blah blah blah. You're gonna see on a video in the future, so follow me, subscribe. It's not only this bike, it will be another like 50 or 100 bikes. As soon as I get new one, the videos will come up about any problem and anything else. So yeah, let's crack on and put these two boys off. Before we do that, if you see the cylinder, you see this pin in here, that's actually the cylinder. It presses with the oil, with the pressure, would say like a hydraulic. So basically try to push that one back in slowly, don't go too hard because nothing will happen. But yeah, push it slowly, try to not damage something, and yeah, let's crack on. And we end up this video. Subscribe guys, like video if you find helpful. If not, still smash that like button, and see you next videos. Bye.